Good afternoon. My name is Tameron here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for inquiring about our beautiful brand new 2020 Hyundai Palisade. We have a few in stock with a few different color and trim options to choose from. I got one pulled up right behind me that I'm excited to show you. So let's dive in, shall we? In the front, beautiful diamond cut cascading grille with the smart cruise control, LED headlights, daytime running lights, and track lighting. We got the 18-inch premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, turn signal, blind spot detection on the mirror. This is, of course, a push to start, so keyless remote entry. Beautiful exterior color. On the inside, premium cloth. This one has the bench seats in the second row, seats 8. We got power seats on the driver's side and passenger side. We got the 8-inch touchscreen display that's equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual climate control, heated passenger and driver seats, and all the safety features such as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and of course a sunroof. But the best part about our vehicles are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we doubled to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Unheard of. Give me a call. My personal cell phone is area code 703-505-1598. Again, I'm Tameron from Tameron Hyundai. Let's further discuss these exciting details on these gorgeous brand new vehicles here at Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.